If you're interested in Korean makeup, today I will do one of the easiest and most convenient Korean makeup for you. Don't miss this video. Hey guys, welcome to the video. I've already put on foundation and concealer, so we can jump into the eyes and the main work. To start, I'm using the same blush color I plan to use as the eyeshadow on the lid. It gives a peachy tone. Then I apply a light pink shade to the inner corner and front part of the lid. Quick tip, friends, for Korean-inspired makeup, the more you go for shimmers and soft colors, the better. Don't overmatte the foundation or use too many strong pigments. Choose soft colors like peach, pink, pastel tones, or lilac, especially with some shimmer. For the lips, if you're using lipstick, go for a non-matte finish, glossy, or lip gloss works. Next, I'm using a pink shimmery shade for the lid. I blend the same two pink and peach colors very lightly and apply them to the lower lash line. that Korean makeup vibe, I use a champagne shade to line the lower lash line. So when you smile, that little lift under the lower lash line shows up more with a soft, warm tone shade. This makes the eyes look bigger. Then I apply the same pink shimmer to the lower lid. As for eyeliner, the tip is to keep the tail/thin end of the liner, but make the line extend across the whole lash line, not just the outer corner, because if you line the entire upper lash line, the eyes look rounder and bigger. Now curl the lashes and apply mascara. the same peach blush again. And pick a lip color that matches the makeup vibe and is shiny. I used a hybrid lipstick/gloss formula. Alright friends, I hope you found this helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Your support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, bye for now.